Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 forecast center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Friday afternoon. We're taping this as of almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We're in a weather alert, and here's the reason why. We are tracking some scattered strong thunderstorms to our north and west. Currently, nothing ongoing right now in Rhode Island and in southeastern Mass, but we widen out the view, and you can clearly see some isolated storms here. You've got one in between Hartford and Willimantic, quite a bit of lightning with this. Another line that stretches from roughly Springfield, Mass, and out towards southern Worcester County, right in here, just to the north and west of places like Burrillville. And this is all moving off to the east and southeast. So in the next roughly hour, hour and a half, in the short term, this is obviously headed for northeast Connecticut and northern Rhode Island. Potential for some downpours, some gusty wind, some frequent lightning, maybe some pea-sized hail. As of now, they're not severe. As of 2 o'clock this afternoon, that's not to say that they can't be severe, but they're at least impactful and strong in terms of downpours, some lightning, some small, non-damaging hail, potential wind gusts, 40, 50 miles per hour. So it's this area shaded in white right in here. I would say now through about 2:30, 3 o'clock, just kind of be weather aware. And then eventually, I do expect, this whole line to be working towards the coastline by late afternoon. In fact, when we look at downtown Providence, this is as of 1 or 2 o'clock this afternoon. You can see these towering clouds off in the distance. There's no storm in Providence, but the fact that these thunderstorms are so tall that even when they're 60 miles away, you can still see them kind of towering on the horizon. So that's what we're seeing right there, and that's a tip off that they're headed our way. The forecast takes this line pretty much out of the area by 5 o'clock the latest. In fact, if you catch a storm, this is one of those like kind of one and done kind of deals. Very short duration, so impactful, but lasting only like 20 minutes, and then pretty much the sun comes back out. In fact, if you have plans to be out Friday evening, Friday night, tonight, don't cancel it. The weather looks good, but in the short term, now through about 4 or 5 o'clock the latest, a quick passing thunderstorm, and then rapid clearing with sunshine returning. It does set up for a breezy, dry, more comfortable Friday evening and into Friday night. You want to check back with us on 12 News. Of course, we go on the air starting at 4 o'clock right on through 7 o'clock, and we'll keep you updated on some of these fast-moving storms and thunderstorms and downpours that'll be moving through the area. The early call on Father's Day weekend, one thing we feel pretty confident about, and that is it will be unseasonably cool, especially on Father's Day Sunday. All the details coming up on 12 News, all starting at 4 o'clock. We'll see you then.